The new 2026 Suzuki RMZ1050 enters the motocross world as a bold evolution of Suzuki's racing DNA. Built for aggressive riders, this machine promises explosive power, sharp handling, and championship-level performance straight from the factory. Design and styling. The 2026 RMZ1050 features an updated aerodynamic body with sharper shrouds and a slimmer fuel tank for better rider movement. Its signature yellow racing color, lightweight frame, and redesigned LED race-inspired front profile give it a dominant track presence. The aluminum twin-spar chassis improves rigidity while keeping weight control for maximum agility. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RMZ1050 is a powerful 1,050 cubic centimeters high-compression engine tuned for brutal acceleration and strong mid-range torque. The advanced fuel injection system ensures instant throttle response, while improved cooling technology keeps performance stable during long motos. A 6-speed close-ratio gearbox delivers smooth power shifts, making it ideal for competitive racing environments. Suspension and handling. Suzuki equips the RMZ1050 with fully adjustable Showa front forks and a rear monoshock system, offering superior shock absorption over jumps and rough terrain. The updated traction control and selectable riding modes help riders adapt to different track conditions with confidence and precision. Braking and safety. High-performance disc brakes with improved calipers provide strong stopping power. The lightweight frame geometry enhances cornering stability, giving riders better control at high speeds. Price and conclusion. Expected to launch at a competitive premium price, the 2026 Suzuki RMZ1050 targets serious motocross enthusiasts. With extreme power, race-ready suspension, and aggressive styling, this bike is built to dominate the dirt.